Hi everybody, it's Julie and I'm here with a show and tell of the new Paris Tres Jolie digital kit that I just put in my shop. I am so excited about this. This kit includes antique postcards. This time I have 2 antique calling cards and a trading card, and I even made a page out of using some of the end book paper from my music book. So this is the first page, and it is very blossomy. So you get these roses and you get these flowers here in the pinks and the peaches. And this kit I made it to go along with the Michaels Ooh La La paper pad. So if this is a hot buy pad that at 2 of the Michaels that I was at this week, they still had them. So if you haven't seen it, it's just full of amazing peach and mint. And it has Eiffel Towers and the girl on the bicycle. So I chose these images because they went along with this paper. So I am so excited to finally get to show you the girl at the farmers or the little market. And I just think I've been saving that. I knew that it was going to go with this kit. So there's 3 images. 3 postcards, 2 calling cards, and a trading card. So our next page has the landscape oriented postcards. And so we have the postcard here of the Eiffel Tower, and it's actually postmarked on the front 1908. So that was kind of cool. And here is the Arc de Triomphe. And it's a beautiful, I love the coloring in these postcards, and they match the kit as well. So here we have a panoramic view of Paris, and I actually have this view. My son bought me a canvas of this view in black and white, and it's in my bedroom for my bed. And I love it. So here is Paris, and it's the people, and they're all out and about. And so here, this gentleman has a bicycle, and there's a girl on a bicycle. So it's really cool. Some horses, horse and buggies, even a dog. So I can see lots of things that we'll be able to do with this page. Okay, so then we have one of the things I've started doing is I do 3 of the landscape cards so that you have something to make belly bands out of. So this is 3 of the landscape orientation cards. I love this card. Again, when I was going through, when I very first got these cards, I pulled that girl out, and I pulled this, and I pulled this card out, and I was like, I'm going to use those for a Paris kit someday. And then Michaels came out with the Ooh La La, and it matched perfectly. So here we have another picture of the Eiffel Tower with the wheel in the background here, and it is postmarked here also. And I don't know how to read their postmarks. It's either January 21 with the year is here. It looks like a 20 something. So, and then the back, the back of this postcard, you can't read it at all. So anyway, so there's your 3. And here, let's do the music next. So this time the music, it didn't take up the whole page. So what I did was I took this card and I put it here and added the little trading card here, and I think it's really pretty. I really, really like it. Of course, you can cut it and just have the music if you want, but I think it makes a great addition. This is the full-size page. I'm going to show you here in a second how it turns out when you do it at other sizes. So this is the page of my music book, and I had torn it, or it actually had torn out. And I put in a calling card here and the trading card, and it gives us, you know, you can fold it, cut it down and fold it, and be able to use this and have matching paper in the book, in your journal. So here are the 3 landscape pages. So that's the 5 pages that you get in the digital kit. They are all JPEG, so that the color is really awesome. And they are ready to download right now in my Etsy shop. So you get those 5. So this is the 3 landscape at printed at 2 5x7. So here we are, and they are ready to be, excuse me, they're ready to be a belly band, just like that. I would run it on cardstock so that you had the steadiness and the thickness. So here is the music paper, and it is printed at 5x7. So again, it is ready to be a page. Okay, so you can actually copy that, and it can be one of the pages in your journal. And you can cut around it or rip around it. But I think I'm sorry, but I really like this. Okay, so here we are, and this is the music page done as journaling cards. And they are, so you would have this side to write on. So that is printing 9 wallet size. Okay, so this is taking these 4 images and printing them at 3.5 by 5. And so you can see now your cards are like ticket size or tag size, and then your calling cards, I mean, they're going to make great embellishments. Just like this, you'll have great embellishments. And here is what your music is going to look like at 3.5 by 5. So again, this is the Paris Tres Jolie digital kit, now available in my Etsy shop. And again, it goes with the Ooh La La papers from available at Michael's. And there we go. I hope you enjoyed this. I would love to know what you think of this. Which one's your favorite? I love her. I think she's amazing, and I think this postcard is exciting. So one other thing, my postcards are as they are. I don't do any Photoshop touching them up. So this is the image exactly as the postcard as it is sitting over in my box right over there. So if it has a fold or a tear or marks on it, it is what it is. So anyway, that is the Paris Tres Jolie digital kit, available now. Have a great day. Find something to celebrate every day. Don't forget to subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye.